Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about this Earth Therapeutics brand facial mask. This is a sheet mask and this comes in Brightening Black Pearl. This is just something new that I wanted to try. I've tried other Earth Therapeutics masks before and I absolutely love them. I swear by a facial mask, they're like my favorite beauty product. Sheet masks in particular are great if you are low on time. They're super simple to use, even include directions on the back telling you how to do it, and it just tells you a little more about the product itself. Earth Therapeutics is a Korean beauty brand. They're made in Korea, manufactured in Korea, and Korean beauty products are actually getting much easier to find in the States, which I'm super happy about. You can get this, maybe not this specific product, but you can get their products online directly from their website. You can get them from Target, from Amazon, from Kohl's, from just a bunch of different types of stores. And I really love facial masks because I think they really just help with keeping my skin super clear, acne free. I don't really have any issues with oiliness anymore or just irritation of my skin, and I think that is mostly due to my routine use of facial masks. I'll use a sheet mask about once a week. And what a sheet mask is, it's made out of plant pulp, so it's super soft and it can actually tear, so you have to be a little bit gentle with it. It has cutouts for your eyes and mouth, and it also does have a cutout for your nose in which you're going to turn the flap down so that you can get the serum on your nose as well. The Brightening Black Pearl mask, it's supposed to be illuminating, toning, and lightening. So it's going to be toning your skin, which is just evening out your skin tone, making sure you're pretty much all the same color. Lightening, it's just to, as it says, like brighten up your skin a bit, make it a little bit lighter. And illuminating is just to make it look brighter. They have Korean as well as English on the package. That is what your package is going to look like. And on the back here, it just tells you some more about the product. It's designed with special non-irritating material that offers excellent coverage with intensive hydration. I will open up the package just so you can see what the sheet mask looks like, and I'll lay out. And there are little flaps right there, so you can just tear it like that, and the sheet mask is inside there. So that is what it looks like. That is what your mask is going to look like. And it is absolutely soaked in that black pearl serum. It smells super nice. I've never smelled this before. It's quite fragrant, so if you're sensitive to fragrances, I wouldn't recommend using this specific mask, but I really enjoy the smell. I don't think it is too powerful at all. This is what the serum kind of looks like. It's not oily, it's not greasy, it kind of just feels like water on your hands. In the end, when you take off this Brightening Black Pearl mask, your skin is going to be lighter, brighter, refreshed, and you're going to feel amazing. I absolutely love this product. I recommend you give it a go. If you like it, let me know. Let me know your opinions on this. That is pretty much all that I have for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.